Hi. So now we will see the remaining diseases in Oshtarogas, the last three diseases, which is mentioned only in Ashtanga Hridaya. In that, first one is Khandoshta. Khandoshta can be compared to cleft lip. So Khandoshta, that is a Vadaja disease. Tatra Khandoshta ityukto Vadena Oshto Dvita Kritaha. So Tatra Khandoshta ityukta Vadena Oshta Dvita Krita. So here the Oshta, the lips, is split into two. Vadena Oshto Dvita Krita. It is split into two by which dosha? Vada. That disease is known as Khandoshta. So in Mukharogeshu, Pavanena Oshto Dvida Krataha. The Vada will split the Oshta into two. That this splitting of lip into two by Vada. That disease is known as Khanda Oshta. So here you can see that is mainly a congenital condition. So here you can see the baby's lip is divided into two. Here Acharya is mentioning it is because of the predominance of Vada dosha. Vadena Oshto Dvida Krita. So that disease is known as Khandoshta. It is only mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. So Tatra Khandoshta ityukto Vadena Oshto Dvita Kritaha. This is cleft palate, cleft lip. Sometimes it is associated with cleft palate also. चिकित्सा कण्ठोष्ठस्य विलिख्यान्दौ स्यूत्वा व्रणवत् आचरेत्. Kandostasya Vilikyandau. So Vilikya Andau. So Kandoshta. In Kandoshta, Vilikya Andau. The end part you can do Lekhana. Vilikya Andau Syutva. After that, what you have to do? Vranavat Ajaret. Syutva Vranavat Ajaret. So Oshta Prandau. The end of that part should be, first you have to do Lekhana. The Vilikya Andau, the end part you can do Lekhana. After that, Suslishtau Kshauma Sutrena Syutva. That means Kshauma Sutram, silk thread, you have to do sweetering. Shauma Sutrena Svitva Sadhyo Vranavat Upacharam. So Sadhyo Vranahara Chikilsa can be given after that. So first you have to do Lekhana in that part of Khandoshta. After that you have to do suturing using silk thread, and after that you can give Sadhyo Vrana Chikilsa. That is the Chikilsa for Khandoshta or cleft palate. Okay, so Kantaushtasya Vilikya Andau Syutva Vranavat Ajaret. Yashti Jyotishmati Rodra Sravani Shariba Utpalehi Padolya Kaga Machyascha Tailam Apyanjanam Pajet. And we can give a taila and oil for applying in that area. With what we have to prepare? Yashti Jyotishmati Rodra, Sravani, Shariba, Utpala, Padola and Kagamachi. Using these drugs you have to prepare an oil and you can apply it over that region. Nasyam cha tailam vadhagna maduraskanda sadidam. Nasyam cha tailam, and you can give a taila for nasya which is prepared with vadahara dravyas or madura skanda dravyas, madura gana dravya. So using vadahara dravyas and madura gana dravyas you can prepare an oil and that can be given for nasya. So this is the Chikilsa for Kandoshta. So Kandoshtasya Vilikyandau Syutva. First you have to do Leganam, then you can suture that back and you can apply, you can do Sadhyavrana Chikilsa. Then for application, you can prepare an oil with these Jyotishmadhyadi dravyas, and that you can ask the patient to apply over there. And also you can give Nasya using Taila prepared with Vadagna and Madura dravyas. So that is a treatment for Kandoshta. Next comes Rekta Arbuda. This is an Asadhya Vyadhi. Kharjura Sadrisham cha atra kshine rekte arbudam bhaved. Kharjura Sadrisham cha atra kshine rekte arbudam bhaved. So this is the arbuda. It is caused because of shaya of rekta. Kshine rekte cha atra. Kharjura Sadrusham, how it looks like? It looks like a dates. You all know, right? Dates. So Kharjura Sadrusha, that growth will looks like, the lip will looks like Kharjura, dates, and it is caused because of the Shaya of Rekta. That is Kharjura Sadrusham cha atra Kshine Rekde Arbudam Bhave. So because of the Shena Rekta Arbudam Bhave, because of that it causes Arbuda, and it looks like Kharjura. Kharjura is nothing but dates, and it is an Asadhya Vyadi. Next comes Jala Arbuda. Jala Budbudavat Vada Kafad Oshte Jala Arbudam. Jala Budbudavat Vada Kafad Oshte Jala Arbudam. So it is caused by which doshas? Vada and Kapha. Vada and Kapha getting vitiated and cause Jala Budbudavat in Oshta. In Oshta region you can see little water drop like things. So Jala Budbudavat Vada Kaphat Oshte Jala Arbudam. That disease is known as Jala Arbudam. So Jala Arbudam is nothing but Jala Budbudavat Vada Kaphat Oshte Jala Arbudam. It's a disease caused by Vada and Kapha vitiation. It's a Vada and Kapha predominant disease, and here in the lips you can see like this, like water drops, like growth projection can be seen in the lips. So these arbudas can be compared to different types of tumors in the lips, Rekta Arbuda and Jala Arbuda. So you can see here, right, in the lips, Jala Budbudavat, like water drops, it will be seen, and it is because of Vada and Kapha predominant disease. And the treatment for this is Chikilsa Shaudra Karshanam Tishna Pinna Shuddhe Jalarbude Avagade Adivrtheva Sharo Agnirva Pradikriya. Shaudra Karshanam Tishna Pinna Shuddhe Jalarbude. Pinna Shuddhe Jalarbude. In Jalarbuda, which is done Pedana, Pinna Shuddhe, and after Bedana, what you have to do? You have to remove all the contents from that. That is Pinna Shuddhe Jalarbude. You have to do Karshana, Pradisarana. With what? Tishna. Tishna means Pippali Marichadeyaha. So using this Pippali Marichadi Tishna Dravyas, you have to mix with some Akshika. Mixed with the Kshaudra, mixed with the honey, you can do Pradisarana, Karshana. So Pinna Shuddhe Jalarbude. So what happened? First you have to do Vedana Shuddhe, remove all the content from that. Then you have to do Karshana using Tishna Dravyas mixed with Shaudra. Avagade Adivrtheva. Avagade Adivrtheva Sharo Agnirva Pradikriya. Avagade, there is a depression, or it is deep, or Adivrte, the growth is more, then you can go for Kshara or Agni Karma. Va Sharo Agnir Va Pradikriya. So we can go for Shara Karma or Agni Karma. So in normal Jala Arbuda, you have to do Vedana, remove all the contents, then you have to do Karshana using Tishna Dravyas like Vipali Marija and all mixed with honey. And if it is very deep, Avagadam or Adivritti, the growth is more, then you can go for Kshara Karma and Agni Karma. So this is the treatment for Jala Arbuda. Hope you all understood these three diseases. Thank you.